Hi, this is Amy Poole with Amy Poole Lightroom Presets. This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install the Lightroom presets to your phone using Dropbox. The first thing you're going to want to do after you purchase your presets, whether that be from Etsy or our website, is open up this PDF guide that's right here on the screen onto your cell phone. So in this case, we already have it opened up on my cell phone, and we're going to scroll down here to option 1 where it says Dropbox. This is the option that we're doing in the case of this tutorial. So you will see this little bubble down here that says click here. We're going to click on that bubble and it will open up your files in Dropbox. So we are now in Dropbox, and you can see that all of the DNG files, which are your presets, are shown here. So we have LA1, LA2, so on and so forth. And these stand for light and airy 1, light and airy 2. So you are going to want to export all of these files to your phone so that we can save them into Lightroom. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to the right-hand side of LA1. You'll see the 3 little dots. Click on that. After this opens up, you're going to come down and click on Export. Once you open that up, you want to click Save Image. That is now saving the preset to your camera roll. So we're going to do that for each and every image. So LA2, you will click on the 3 dots. You will click on Export. And then you will choose Save Image. So we have now saved those presets to our camera roll. So the next thing we will want to do is go back to our phone and open up the Lightroom app. Okay, now that we're in Lightroom, you are going to want to go to the top of the page where it says All Photos. This is going to open all of the photos on your camera roll. So go ahead and select that. You will now see all of the files we just downloaded from Dropbox. These are your presets. In some cases and on some phones, the files may look blank. They may not show the image, and if your phone ends up doing that, I apologize. Some phones just show the images as a blank image. You can still download them and you can still use them, but unfortunately, they're just going to look blank. In this case, they do not, and I can see the files. So I am going to go ahead and open it up into Lightroom. So the first thing you want to do once you open it up into Lightroom is you want to make sure that you're in the edit mode. You can tell that you're in the edit mode by looking at the left top hand corner of your screen where it says edit. Okay, so after that, we are now ready to save this preset into Lightroom. You can see that this is the Signature Collection Light and Airy 1 preset. So all of your presets will be numbered and you want to save all of them. So for example, in the Signature Collection group, there are 30 presets. So you will be downloading and installing 30 presets. In other packages, you may have more or less presets depending on what that package offers. All right, so the next step, we are going to save the Light and Airy preset 1. So you're going to go to the top right-hand corner of your screen where you see the bubble with the 3 dots. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you want to go down and select Create Preset. So we're going to tap on that. Here is where we're going to name this preset. So this is from the Light and Airy collection. I'm just going to simplify things and name it LA1. You can name it whatever you want. You can call it Light and Airy 1 if you want to type all that out. I just like shortcuts. The next thing we're going to do I really like organizing my presets so they're easy to find and it just simplifies things for me, is where it says user presets. That's the default preset group. So if you don't choose a preset group, it's going to put it there. So we're going to go ahead and click on the little down arrow by user presets. And if you go all the way to the bottom, it says create preset group or new preset group. So we will click on that. I am going to go ahead and call this preset group Light and Airy. And you can call it whatever you want. You could call it the signature collection or Light and Airy. This is just what I'm choosing to name it. After you go ahead and name the preset group, you will click on the little check mark at the top right-hand corner of your screen. That is saving the group. After that, you're going to click again on the little check mark in the top right-hand corner, and this is saving the preset. So we have now saved the Light and Airy preset 1 to Lightroom, and we have created a group that we've put it in. So you are going to want to save now all of your presets into this group. So you can just scroll here with your finger and it brings up Signature Collection Light and Airy 2. So now we'll want to save number 2 preset to the group. So again, go to the right hand corner of your screen where the little bubble is with the 3 circles and tap on that. And again, you will click on Create Preset. And we're going to name this preset Light and Airy 2. Okay, so we already have our user preset group created, so now we're just going to select it. So where it says preset group, user presets, click on that arrow, and we're going to go back and find the group we created, Light and Airy. So now we have selected our group, and we're ready to save our preset, so we're just going to click on the check mark in the top right-hand corner. Okay, so we have now saved 2 of the presets to Lightroom, and that is basically it. So you're just going to want to do that for all 30 of the presets. And once you have saved them all, you'll be able to apply them to your photos. Please refer to my other videos for more instructions on how to use your presets. Thank you.